Gouly AI Assistant. Open the Gouly Lite app and go to the controller page. Before using the Gouly AI Assistant, make sure the controller is connected to 4G Wi-Fi successfully. Tap the device power button to test whether the LED pixel lights can turn on and off normally. You can also enter the light control page and select a color to check whether the lights change correctly. Please remember the current Wi-Fi device name, as it will be used when controlling the lights with the AI Assistant. After confirming the device works properly, tap Me at the bottom. Here you can connect smart voice devices such as Alexa, AI, Siri, and Google. Before using Alexa, AI, Siri, or Google smart device functions, the controller must be connected to 4G Wi-Fi first. Please note that single-channel controllers do not support Siri. Siri is only available for 4-channel controllers. To control the LED lights, tap the AI icon to enter the Gouly AI Assistant page. After entering the page, type simple commands in the input box to control the lights. When sending commands, the device name must match the controller name shown in the app. For example, if the device name is Glenn, enter turn on the Glenn, not turn on the light. Currently, the AI Assistant only supports simple control commands, such as turning lights on or off, adjusting brightness, and changing light colors. For example, turn off the Glenn, turn on the Glenn, set the Glenn to 50%, set the Glenn to red, and set the Glenn to blue. You can also try more control commands to test whether the Gouly AI Assistant can recognize and run them properly.